Hello, gardeners and travelers. Today, we're diving into the world of hydroponics and how you can grow fresh food in the smallest spaces. Yes, even inside a van. Let's explore the basics of hydroponic systems and how to set one up. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water instead. It's perfect for small spaces because it eliminates the need for bulky pots and soil, making it ideal for van life or compact homes. There are several hydroponic systems to choose from, but two of the easiest for small spaces are the nutrient film technique, NFT, and deep water culture, DWC. NFT uses a thin stream of nutrient solution that flows continuously over plant roots, great for lightweight setups. DWC involves suspending plant roots in a nutrient solution, using air pumps to provide oxygen for root health. To build your hydroponic system, here's what you'll need. A water reservoir or container that fits your space net pots or small containers for plants, an air pump and air stone for oxygenation, hydroponic nutrients, and a pH tester, and a growing medium like clay pebbles or cocoa coir. Here's how to set it up. Prepare the reservoir with water and add hydroponic nutrients, adjusting the pH to between 5.5 and 6.5 for optimal plant growth. Insert net pots filled with your growing medium and seedlings. For deep water culture, position the air stone in the reservoir and connect it to the air pump to provide oxygen. For nutrient film technique, set up a sloped tray to allow the nutrient solution to flow over the roots and back into the reservoir. Hydroponics maximizes space and reduces water usage, making it ideal for van life or apartments. Plus, you can grow a variety of crops like lettuce, herbs, and even small fruits with minimal effort. With just a few components and a little creativity, you can grow fresh food in even the smallest spaces. Hydroponics is a game changer for compact gardening. If this inspired you to start your own hydroponic garden, hit subscribe for more DIY gardening tips. Share your setups or ask questions in the comments below. Let's grow together no matter how small the space.